Hi, in this video we are going to see about replacement algorithm. So page replacement algorithm is some basic to demand a paging. So it complete a separation between logical memory and physical memory. So the paging means that is it is a demand for a paging. It will separate the logic memory and the physical memory in this. So by there are three lot of types of page replacement algorithms. So there are under this case we are going to see FIFO, LRU, and optimal page replacement algorithms. So the algorithm what will do is find the location of the desired page on the disk. It will find a location, then it will find a free frame. So if it is a free frame, if there is a free frame, use it. If there is no free frame, use a page replacement algorithm to select a victim frame. Write the victim frame to the disk. Change the page and frame table accordingly. Next, it will read the desired page into newly freed frame. Change the page and frame table. Then continue the user process from where the page fault is occurred. Now let us see the code I have implement, that is FIFO. So initially there are reference string, page fault, and MNS or the sum of the variables have been created. First page replacement, number of page it will get from the user. So up to page it will get the values. So after the getting values, so it will get the frame. So after that the temp up to frame we are creating a array. So up to the array we are storing as -1. So up to the page we are going, and we are making s equal to 0. And if the reference string of m, that is equal to temporary of n, if it is equal s plus plus, then page fault equal to, it will be page fault, we are decrementing the value. Decrementing value again, it will be go and it will check if it is, it will increase the s value and it will decrease the page fault. So after it complete, it will increase the page fault by 1. And if the page fault is equal to less than or equal to frame and s equal to 0, then the temporary of m equal to reference string of m, otherwise s equal to 0. So after that we are displaying the page fault, pages minus page fault, that is page hint. Then hit ratio, that is page minus page fault, that is page fault, that is ratio of, that is the hit ratio is page minus page fault divided by pages. Then miss ratio is page fault and pages. And we are going to execute this code, and we will get, and we let us give number of pages 3, and reference value will give 12, 13 and 14. Number of frames will give 3. So the total page fault is 3, total page hint is 0, the hit ratio is 0 by 3, and miss ratio is 3 by 3. So that's it from the FIFO. Next is LRU. LRU finds the, that is LRU. Initially we are creating a array. Function find LRU. It will receive a time and n. If I is minimum, time equal to 0. So time of 0 it will store in minimum position. Then for I is less than or n, I plus plus. So the time of 1 is less than of minimum. So that is time of 0. So time of the first value is less than of first, second value is less than of first value. Then minimum equal to time of I. It will be stored the minimum, position equal to I. Then it will return the position. So what is that? Initially same, we are getting the frame, hit all the thing. Then here the number of pages. So up to the page flag 1, flag 2 equal to 0. So j equal to 0 up to number of frame. If frame is equal to pages, counter, it will counter 1. If time equal to 0, then the flag 1 equal to flag 2 equal to 1. It will be, the flag will be assigned to 1. So if it is break, then it will check, then that's the thing. Next, it will goes, if the frame is equal to pages, it will be allocated and it will go outside. Otherwise if flag 1 equal to 0, where it will j equal to 0, and it will make now up to the number of pages, it will make all the things, it will be incremented. And if page 2 equal to 0, then position equal to find LRU. This is the thing we have been sent we have been seen starting of the page. The function it will be created, and it will be assigned to it, and at last we are getting the total page fault, hit ratio and miss ratio have been calculated and displayed here. Now let us see the code, sorry, output in LRU. Let's see, 3 reference value 12, 13, 14 and 3. So total page fault is 3, page hits 0, hit ratio 0 by 3, miss ratio 3 by 3. So next we are going to see about optimal replacement process. Optimal page replacement. So here we'll get number of frame as such same from the beginning. So here we are making the frames is -1. Now frame 1 and frame 2 equal to 0 as before. Now same, if a frame of j equal to pages, it will be flag 1 equal to 0, it will be break. Otherwise, if flag equal to 1, if frame of j equal to -1, then faults will be added, and frame equal to pages. So next page, if flag 2 equal to 0, it's same process here. The for loop will getting execute if pages equal to 0, that is it will be stored in temporary variable. Otherwise it will goes for this, and it will check the flag 3 equal to whether it is equal to 0 or not. If it is, it will be stored in max and position will be 0. And after that, the frame of position equal to pages of 5. That means the frame, so the position of frame will we are maintaining the pages of 5 and fault plus plus. After that, we are getting the total page fault, page hit, and hit ratio and miss ratio we have been calculated and displayed here. And output for this is same 3, 12, 13 and 14 and 3. So same it will be displayed for the all the thing. So this is was the page replacement algorithm using this FIFO, LRU and optimal replacement optimal page replacement algorithm have been implemented in C program. Thank you.